Good evening again. I am the Angry Cook. Today, we're sticking with the British thing. We're going to be doing English scones. Yes, we are. In fact, the only recipes I looked at were those for English and Scottish people. I didn't find any Irish, so didn't look at them. But we're going to go with that and see what they're like. We have in this, we're doing, oh, by the way, we're doing metric because the recipes I was looking at were all in metric. I'm not going to convert things back and forth. We have 450 grams of all-purpose flour. We have 200 milliliters, Jesus Christ, 200 milliliters of milk. We have a stick of butter, salted or unsalted, doesn't matter that much. We have 110 grams of raisins. We have in here 55 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 6 milliliters of vanilla extract. All right, we're going to sift all this. I'm not usually a big sifter, but they recommend it, and we're trying to get the best product we can. All the solid, dry ingredients are together in this sift. So, I didn't even look at Canadians or New Zealanders. That's how strict I was with this. See the difference? It was pretty big. All right. We are going to add our cold butter to the flour. The agreed upon amount is 110. What am I doing? Milliliters here? 110 milliliters of butter, but 110 grams. I don't know. One of those of butter, but a stick of butter is like 113, so I wasn't about to go crazy over that little bit. So cut these up, throw them in here. You do want cold butter too, by the way. Goes with any pastry you make or anything that has butter in it. You want it cold so it doesn't liquefy before you want it to, which is when it's baking. All right, we're going to turn our oven on to 355. Now we're going to take and we're going to rub the butter and the flour mixture together. Now we're looking to make little pebbles. We've done this before with something else. I can't remember what it was. Okay. We're going to add the vanilla to milk. We'll do a little quick mixing. Together. We're going to put it in here. And you can use a knife, dinner knife to do this, or just use your hands. After making no-knead bread, I'm used to this texture, so I'm just using this. You're just looking to get it roughly together. Not anything fancy. All right. Now again, as with anything like this, you don't want to over-knead it. You'll make it tough. So we still have a little bit more to do, so we just want to get this together, and that's it. And we're going to bring our baking mat out here. This was a good investment. It really is no stick, or little stick, if anything. And I like it. So we're going to move this all down. There's going to be some flour in here still. going to combine this together. Now you're not kneading it, you're just mushing it together so it stays, till it gets into one homogeneous piece. Homogeneous, is that the right word for this? Doug? This should only take a minute or two, he said. It's not sticking to my hands anymore, which is a good thing. It's sticking to itself mostly. Keep those raisins in there, boy. Alright, I think we got it. Alright, we're going to, I got my rolling pin out. But I don't think I'm going to need it, actually. You want this to be about an inch thick or so. Square it up. Square it up, boy. Now, I'll be right back. I gotta get my baking pan ready because I forgot that. Okay, I got my baking pan with a silicone sheet on. I don't have a scone or a 2.5 inch, 6 centimeter, give or take, cookie cutter or cutter. But this is very close. It's just a plastic wine glass, so I'm going to use this. Remember, don't twist, just push down. If you twist, what could happen is you'll seal the sides and it won't rise. Nine, 10, 11, well, 12, we actually got one more out of that too. Well, it said about 14. That's not bad. That's pretty close as far as I'm concerned. So, 13. 14. We got 14. Good shell, what? Okay, there we go. All right. Where are we? We're going to bake these for 15 minutes in a 355 oven. So we'll be back again in 15 minutes. Okay, we went a couple of minutes over, but we're done. We're on a cooling rack now for, about 15 minutes before you break into them. If you have jam, butter and jam, clotted cream, believe it or not, it's really good. It's just a Brit way of doing things. Or anything else, or just by themselves, I guess, with a cup of coffee. So, thank you all for stopping by. We'll see you next time on The Angry Cook.